Hello everyone, and welcome to the first YouTube video that's ever going to be on this channel. I think it's been a long time coming for this YouTube channel to happen. I really wanted to start doing YouTube videos because there's only so much you can say in an Instagram post, and there's a caption limit, and there's only so much you can say about a product or a look in an Instagram caption. So I want to be able to come on here and make it more personal, go really in depth with my tutorials, and actually show you how I do them rather than showing you a picture of them when they're done, and trying to explain them to you in my best words. So yeah, the first part of this video is just kind of going to be me explaining what the content is going to be like on this channel. It's going to be similar to the content on my Instagram in a nutshell, but I really want to just go in depth and tell you more about what is really going to be on here. Then the second half, I'm going to just, to make it a full video, I want to just show you 5 products that I can't put down lately and I just love so much. So yeah, that's about it. Without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. So what I want for this channel is kind of what I've been doing with my Instagram, but I just want this channel to be practical. I'm still gonna be doing tutorials, but I wanted to make this channel more about like the everyday girl like myself. I personally, it's very rare that I go out and am in the open when I do like kind of crazier glitter pop of color looks. I do those because I like it and it's fun to experiment, but it's rare that I go out in that makeup. I want this channel to be more practical and everyday, and just give you a tea on what products are actually good. Just give you basically what's on my Instagram, but more in depth and just better in general. That's kind of what I want it to be. I want this channel to be more about what I would actually do in my everyday life. Yeah, and by no means am I a makeup artist. I think that it's very clear that I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not certified. Everything that I've learned, I've taught myself or have looked at a YouTube video and gathered. But yeah, I just kind of want to give you my thoughts and my opinions and show you how I do my makeup. And you can choose to like it or not. That's kind of what I want this channel to be about. It's just very relaxed every day, and it's going to be everything like makeup, skincare. I'm going to show you actually a body product today, and I want that to kind of be in there too. And a little bit of fashion too, like some lifestyle fashion, because I like watching those videos. I like morning routines and all that stuff, and maybe even a vlog or two if I'm doing anything exciting, and hauls, and just like really good old-fashioned YouTube videos is what I want to do. But I want to make it, so that you can just relax when you're watching my channel. You don't have to feel like you can't do what I'm doing, and I want it to, make it relatable. I really hope you can learn something from my channel, and that, maybe I'll make you laugh a couple times. I do really stupid stuff. Yeah, and to those of you that are watching today and will watch in the future, thank you. I know I've had a good group of people on my Instagram that have always been supportive, and I really hope that you guys are watching and that you can learn from what I have to say. And leave me a request below, or just DM me on Instagram if you don't have a YouTube account. And I guess subscribe if you do have a YouTube account so that you get notified when I upload. But I will put it on my Instagram so that you can get notified that way, so you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. I know I just kind of gave you like a rundown of what I want to put on there, but I do want to hear what you want. Thank you again, and let's get into the 5 products that I've been loving lately. There's 2 makeup products, there's 2 skincare products, and there's 1 like body product. First product is it's 2 products, but I'll explain why it's 2. So it's 2 concealers, but the first concealer, and I'll put it on the screen, the name and price and stuff. But this is the Flower Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I just picked this up like last week, and I've been using it every day since, and this is so good. Like, I really wasn't, I mean, I love Drew Barrymore, and that's really why I picked this up, because this is her beauty line. First of all, the packaging is like gorgeous, but for like a drugstore brand, because this is primarily sold at Walmart, I think, but I did get this at Ulta, so I think they are bringing it into more stores. But anyways, it really shocked me because it's so lightweight, yet like still has good coverage. I'd say medium to full, but you can definitely build on top of it, because this has no caking whatsoever. It kind of blew my mind. It claims to be creaseless, I believe, but in my opinion, no concealer is creaseless unless you set it. So setting this, it's creaseless, but I haven't tried it without setting it because it's summer, and if you don't set your concealer, I think you're just wasting your makeup at that point. You need to set it so that it actually stays on when you're outside and sweaty. The one problem with this concealer is that the shade range is almost non-existent. There's like 7 or 8 shades, I want to say, and there's just not 7 or 8 shades of people. I really wish that they had more shades of this, and that's why I kind of wanted to mention this one too, because I believe this one has like 40 or more, or something like that. It's a lot, and the descriptions for the shades are really good. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. This is another one from Ulta. The packaging's really cute. It reminds me of a liquid lipstick bottle. But yeah, anyways, this concealer is kind of like that one, but just a little thicker, like a little more creamy. It definitely is, in my opinion, I think it's better than the Tarte Shape Tape. Hope I said that right. My shade is C3, by the way. Oh, this one was Fair, of course. This one is, yeah, definitely, in my opinion, it's better. It's just more moisturizing than the Tarte Shape Tape, because I do have more dry under eyes, and concealer tends to cake up and crease a little bit more under my eyes. So this concealer I appreciate because it is creamier, more emollient than the Tarte Shape. Tarte Shape Tape is kind of like almost like powdery once you blend it out, in my opinion, on my dry skin. So this is good because it's, you know, it's the equivalent but just more creamy. It's like the equivalent in coverage but just more creamy, and like a fraction of the cost. I think this is like $7. So definitely pick either of these up. If you can find your shade in this, definitely try it out. But this one I think is a go-to because there's more shades. It's going to be easier to pick. And it's $2 cheaper, I think, than this is. But either way, you're getting a good drugstore concealer that is cruelty-free as well. Second product I want to talk about today, this is the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick in Baked. I can't put this down in the summer. Like, I wear it every day. Like, it's so easy. You just like, it's kind of like you put it in your contours a little bit, but you blend up. So you're not really contouring, but you're like bronzing and sculpting kind of at the same time, because the tone, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, it is like warmer, but it's not like orange ever. And I'm very fair and I can still wear this. And I believe there's 2 shades. Like, I think there's this shade and maybe a darker shade for medium to dark skin tones. I'll put information on the screen on all these products. This is really good if you want a good cream bronzer, but you don't want to spend like $60 on like the Chanel one that everybody talks about. This is a really good option. Next up is my current face wash, and I'm obsessed with this. It's the best face wash I think I've ever used, and I've said that about like one more previously in my life, but that one, it was like at Marshall's and I couldn't find it anywhere else, and it's like gone now. But anyways, this one's easily accessible. It's at Sephora. This is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It has like super fresh ingredients, I believe, like super natural. There's like a honey in it. So one time I was like washing my face and it got in my mouth a little bit and it was like sweet, and I was like, oh, they weren't lying. This is so good though. Like, it really takes all of my makeup off, and I really, really appreciate that, because I cannot stand when I'm washing my face and not all my makeup comes off. I just like products that it's just one and done, and this gives that to me, and it's not crazy priced. and the packaging's adorable, and it does twist and lock so you can take it places without like freaking out. So yeah, definitely pick this up if you're looking for a new facial cleanser that's cruelty-free and all-natural. Next up is another skincare product. I've been in the market for an eye cream for a very long time because of the woman that my mom gets her like facials from. She's so educated on skincare, and I really value her opinion. She actually told my mom that the #1 skincare product, like the most important skincare product that a woman could have, is eye cream. And it really stuck with me, and I went out and I was looking for one that I knew that was going to be worth it. And so I picked up the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. As you can see, it's pretty creamy in consistency, and I really like that because my under eyes are pretty dry. And I've had this for like 2 weeks, I think, or something like that. So I can't say I've seen like any results, but my eyes are kind of sensitive, and I find that this doesn't irritate my eyes at all. Like, I can put it pretty close to my eyes and nothing. I've actually tried this under makeup before, and it was pretty good. Didn't affect the makeup on top at all. I love this. I really think it's worth it. And plus, the price isn't bad for, if you think about like Lancome and like big skincare brands like that, like their eye creams are like $100, like crazy. And this is, I believe, like $38. I will be trying more like less expensive eye creams in the future. I did want to do a video about inexpensive skincare and what actually works. So I really did want to try more like e.l.f. and like more Mario Badescu. I want to try more from them because I think their eye cream's only like $18 or something like that. So I did want to test that, and the e.l.f. one is $10. So I do want to test more of those. So I'll get back to you on that. Maybe I'll do a video on like inexpensive skincare once I've tried it out for a couple months. On to the next one. So the last product I have here is a body product, and this smells so good. I can't even. This is the banana body yogurt from the Body Shop. I love the Body Shop. They're cruelty-free. Their stuff is like actually effective. What really gets me excited about a lotion is if it doesn't just like smell good and go on good. It like actually moisturizes your skin. Like, and if it smells good, then that's just a bonus. This smells like those popsicles, those like plastic tube like popsicles that like you would have to rip open and like slide up. It smells like the one that's yellow, and like the bigger ones, it's like the flavor ice ones. Weird, but it smells like bananas, obviously, but like kind of more like fake banana. It smells like a banana pina colada almost. It's so good. Like, and it looks like yogurt. Like, it actually does look like yogurt, and I think that the name is pretty spot on. But this actually moisturizes your skin, which really makes me happy because I hate when lotions like smell awesome, but when I put them on, it's really just for the smell. It's like for nothing. And this doesn't give me like a weird burn if I put it on after I shave in the shower. And that's another thing that really makes me excited about lotions, is when you can put it on after you shave and have that like smooth feel my legs feeling without getting like those weird bumps the next day. Also, this product is vegan, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, those are just products that I've been really loving lately, and I hope that you try a couple of them out. Do you? You have my word, they're pretty good. I guess that's the end of this video. That's all I really had to say. If you watched and you stayed till the end, thank you so much. I really do appreciate everybody that's been supporting me. I hope that you'll come back and watch my other videos, because I know that the quality will get better. I'm gonna invest in a good camera soon and get some good lighting and stuff, because I know when I move back to my apartment in Morgantown that the lighting won't be as good as my bedroom now with like 3 windows. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something, because I really want that to make that my goal, is for you to learn something in every video that I put up. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully you'll see me in the next video. Thank you.